What is this writ petition about?
But petition is not about granting of interim maintenance. Husband Lord is an accountant, BCom graduate accountant working in Kuwait. Lord, and Lord, she was working in Kuwait, Lord, earning 280 dinars.
No,
Please.
that will be considered once
Yes.
she enters
After,
appearance.
so it is on merit.
So what is now?
Petition in this case, Lord. But I am extremely sorry, Lord, I could not be present in the earlier occasion.
Yes. Notices are served or not served?
No, notice had to be ordered, my lords. It is for preliminary hearing earlier. It was registered on 1st of July.
Yes. What is this writ petition about?
But petition is not about granting of interim maintenance against the respondent. Not operative portion is at page number 20, my lords, of the writ petition impugned order. Respondent is direct.
You're for the husband.
I am for the husband.
How much is granted?
Lord, 15,000 is granted, my lords.
What is the income of the husband?
Lord, the husband, my lord, is an accountant, BCom graduate accountant working in Kuwait, my lord, for a private firm. Whereas, my lord, the respondent, my lord, was a MSc graduate, my lord, in lab technology. And my lord, she was working in Kuwait, my lord, earning 280 dinars. And my lord, about 78,000. Lord, she left Kuwait and
No.
landed in India.
No.
Please.
That will be considered once
Yes.
she enters
After,
appearance.
so it is on merit.
So what is now?
Lord, now, my lord, so she claimed that she is unemployed. Lord, one cannot expect that, my lord, such a graduate, my lord, working in a hospital remain, my lord,
The court is
therefore,
saying, so the stay would be granted on payment of
yes,
amount.
yes, my lord,
So
I
the
will, my lord,
arguments at this stage will
Lord,
not go into.
please, my lord, I may, my lord, offer, my lord, 8,000 rupees, my lord,
When is the
Lord,
petition?
the first January 5th, my lord, she filed petition.
January 5th of?
5th of 24, my lord, 2024.
So till now 7 months.
Yes, my lord.
56,000.
Please, my lord.
Please come. Land counsel for the petitioner submits that though the wife is educated and she was earning, the court had failed to consider the same as she is not entitled for maintenance and granted maintenance of an amount of rupees 15,000. Considering the submission of the land counsel for the petitioner, they shall be stay of all further proceedings on the condition that the petitioner shall deposit an amount of rupees 56,000 within 4 weeks from the date of receipt of the copy of the order and continue to pay an amount of rupees 8,000 as maintenance by 5th of every succeeding month. The petitioner is permitted to take out notice on the counsel appearing before the court below and shall file a memo to that effect. Post this matter on August 13th. A memo with regard to service of notice to the respondent shall be filed before this court on 9th. Either the memo is not filed, amount is not deposited, the stay granted by this court stands vacated without further reference to the court.
Apply.